Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel Render Lover. Today we are going to learn about the part configuration by using combine feature. So combine tool lets you take the volume from multiple solid bodies and combine them into a single body like add, subtract and common. And at the last of this tutorial I will show you a interesting tricks by using combine feature. So let's get started. So you see in this here there are three parts, but I have to create these three parts in a single body. So how can I do that? So you can find the combine feature by typing in combine you can find the combine feature here, or here insert feature and combine, and you will find the combine feature directly in direct editing here combine. Now when I click on it, the property manager appears. Now here are three options: add, subtract, common. So here there is a three part and I want to create a single body from it. So I am going to select the add option and selecting the three solid bodies. See, now here is now a single body. If I roll back the combine, you will see there was three bodies, but when I use the combine feature, there is now a single body. So when you get this kinds of part and they are asking about the to subtract the part from this part, so how can you do that? So going to combine feature and I am using subtract. So here you have to select the main body. So for this I am going to select this body, and bodies to subtract I am going to select this rectangular shape body. So when I use, see, the part is configured and there is now a single solid body. You can change the option here, you can anywhere. So if I choose the main body for rectangular shape and bodies to subtract, here I am using this. So if I going to click OK, you see there is a cut in this body. So again you see there is now a single body. So again, if you have any question like that, like you have a two solid body and you have to create a common section from this, so going to combine feature, you are going to select common and select the two bodies and click OK. You see here you can make a single common body from that. Here I am going to show you another tricks by using combine feature. So I am selecting the front plane and selecting the center line. Now going to text, and for curve I am using the center line R, uncheck the use document font, and I using the 0.72. You can use anything here. Okay, now okay, and exit the sketch. Now I'm going to select the right plane and again selecting the center line for the reference. Now going to text, for curve I am using this line font 0.72. Okay, you can change the direction by using this. Okay, and exit the sketch. Now I am going to extrude boss and extrude this. Selecting this and extrude. Okay, I am going to select the extrusion so it can extend the L. Okay, now selecting this sketch, again extrude boss, and I am unchecking the merge result and okay. Now I am going to combine and select both and clicking OK. Now if we look at this view, we are going to see R, and if we are going to see this view, we are going to see L. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please let us know in our comment, and please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.